Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Disha and today I'm going to share how I pack my check-in and carry-on bag. So let's start. So my first tip is very common and you all probably know about it, but still I'm going to share that if you're planning to go to some other country, then it is always a good idea to know about the climatic conditions of that country so that you can pack accordingly. Like I got to know that Singapore is hot and humid, so I packed my clothing accordingly, and it rains frequently there, so I packed umbrella as well. These are all my clothes I'm packing for Singapore, which is very hot and humid country, so all my clothes are according to Singapore's weather. In my checked bag I'll be packing my son's clothes. He's just 10 and I don't want to carry too much luggage. So that one is jumpsuit, 2 jeans, few shorts and some t-shirts, dresses, few more tees and shirts, sleepwear, belts, and this is a travel kit, socks, and those are packing cubes. I love packing cubes because they are ultimate packing organizers and they allow me to maximize the space, and they are just great to organize and compartmentalize the stuff that is going inside your luggage. If you haven't used them yet, then I highly recommend to start using them because I know you will start loving them. I don't suggest unnecessary things to buy, but these packing cubes are worth buying. Consider them as one-time investment because after that you will start loving them, and you will be able to organize your luggage, and you will save a lot of space, and it will save a lot of time also, because when you are on a trip you don't want to rummage through your luggage and just keep searching for the stuff. I have added some of my favorite packing cubes in the description box below in case you want to buy them. Tops and dresses will go in that bigger cube. This medium sized one has all my innerwears. This one has all my makeup. So that way I'll compartmentalize all the stuff inside my luggage. Now let's fold and keep all the stuff inside the luggage. And you can do this in two ways. Either you can roll your clothes or just fold them. So I personally like folding them, of course, to minimize wrinkles while packing. This is how I folded all my tops. And this packing cube has accommodated 10 tops and a dress. Can you believe that? Now it is easy to compress all the clothes and I have more space to keep other stuff. Since this packing cube is transparent, I can easily see what I have kept where. Now I'll fold the bottoms in a similar way. I'll keep these bottoms and sleepwear in the luggage the way I keep them in my wardrobe. Here goes the packing cube, bottoms, sleepwears and innerwears. Now this side of the luggage is done. This side is for my son's clothes. Here go all the bottoms, his tees. This packing cube has his innerwears, some more tees, shirts and sleepwears. Now I have some space here where I keep this travel kit that has toiletries, some tissue papers and other stuff like Q-tips and sunscreen, makeup remover and stuff like that. This pouch has my makeup. I'm bringing gifts for kids, so here it goes. And this is a small pouch in which I have kept my belts. Now since I have some more space left here, so I'll keep few of my shoes, of course, in a shoe bag, and towels too. Now I quickly want to share about this ultimate packing checklist that I found on lavender.com. This checklist is truly ultimate and extremely helpful. It has all the essential items listed, so once you are done packing, you can go through the checklist to make sure that you haven't forgotten any essential stuff. I'll let the link in the description to download this checklist so that you can take a printout of it and refer to it whenever you are packing. Okay, so now I'll pack my carry-on. Here's the stuff that is going inside my carry-on. All the documents, power bank, mobile and camera chargers. I tie them and keep them in a pouch like this. You can use something like this which is very functional. Link to buy this one is given in the description. Next is my wallet, pen, book, glasses, shades, and some liquids and gel that I'll need on board. So as per TSA, I have kept them in a clear quad sized bag, and each one of them is less than 100 ml. This bag has my contact lenses, its solution, hand wash, sanitizer, face wash and toothpaste. Now I'll keep all this inside my bag. Things that I'll need to take out during security check are going in this pocket so that it is easier to take them out, and all the other things in main compartment. I suggest you to keep extra clothing so that in case your checked luggage is lost, at least you have something with you. So that's it. I'm done. Okay, so both my bags are ready. Check in and carry on. The stuff that I didn't show, like my shoes and other stuff, jacket and all, so all that stuff is going in my husband's bag. So that's it. We are all set to go, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, wish you all love, luck and sunshine. Bye bye.